Get out of here.
What's going on, guys? Waffler here. It's March 5th, and it's getting hot in Louisiana. About to start growing some stuff. So I got my little tray here, and I got some seeds. So this is what I'm growing. This is the lineup for right now. I got some summer squash. Ooh, that yellow, beautiful, delicious. I don't know what this is. It's cow peas. I saw it looked like purple peas, and I was like, that sounds crazy. I'm gonna try it out, see what I get, because I don't want to grow too much of the same stuff I grew last year. And then thirdly, some just regular green beans. I wanted to see, I was in a bean mood, I don't know why. But these are ready to go, so I got my tray here. We're gonna start. We're not gonna germinate them with the little paper balls or whatever. We're just gonna Johnny Apple seed it. We're just putting the seed straight in and seeing if something sprouts. So on top of that, I got right here a Tabasco plant that we're gonna be planting. It's little now. I'm gonna have to prune it up a little bit. And then we got right here a purple bell pepper plant. And that should be pretty interesting to see. I never grew a bell pepper, only peppers. So, put that aside, and let's start doing this thing. So I couldn't find scissors, so Stephanie's
Slide
just gonna...
that baby in there. Pow!
Oh my. Okay, that's good enough. Don't cut my fingers off. And don't cut the dog. Oh man. Look how rusty these are. Show them how rusty it is.
Grass cuts like a knife.
No, that's perfect. Alright, now let's get to planting these suckers. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to push my finger in just a little bit in each one of these. You can see, making a little indentation. So we're going to do that to every single one of them. And so I'm just going to do this for a long time, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm planting them. Dang. Alright, so now I got all my holes popped. I'm going to do 20 squash and 15 regular beans and 15 of these cow peas. Now let's see what these squash seeds look like. Whoa, they kind of look like pumpkin seeds, yeah. Alright, go to your home. Alright, one last one. I think that was the last seed in the bag too. Oh no, there's a few more. Alright, let's go to them garden peas. Whoa, these look like medicine. So, you want to take your vitamins? Peas. I didn't look up how to... Oh God, I'm goofing up all over. I didn't look up how to make green beans or how to grow them, so... Alright, and now on to the cow peas, and these feel big. Oh, these look like, whoa, man. That's going to be the final result. That's weird. These are kind of like just normal beans. Alrighty, my wife has gone and written the things, so now we know. I'm using this Miracle Grow potting mix. It's grows plants twice as big. That's what it claims. Feeds up to 6 months, and you know that it does vegetables because on the bag there's a bell pepper. And guess what I'm growing? Peppers. So let's get to topping off these things, and I'm going to drizzle over the top. Kind of comb it over. There we go. Pat them down just a little bit, keep them nice and comfortable. This is pretty much you kissing them goodnight. Y'all go to sleep. When y'all wake up, y'all gonna be nice and healthy, rejuvenated. Alright, so now let's pour a little water on top of that thing. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and break these down so that they'll fit inside the container, because I just realized I gotta put a lid on this thing. So Stephanie filling up the whole juglet. with some of that purified water.
It's toilet water.
It's not toilet water, it's just water from the, the sink.
For the toilet.
Yeah. Steph's gonna water this for me. Oh, you got some on my hands. Nice. Oh, it's cold. All right, that's saturated. That's saturated.
Wait.
It's, oh, there's seeds. You're gonna drown them. No. And then we put the plastic thing on it. We'll get back to it in a couple of days and let's see what the growth's like. So it's May 18th, about 2 weeks after I first planted these seeds. Let's take a look at these things. Lush. Would you look at that? The only thing that looks like it didn't sprout too much was these cowpeas, but we do have about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I mean that's not that bad. That's more than I need. All I need is 1 or 2, and these look like the ones. But dang, look at this squash. This is all squash right here, and this is all the peas with the big 2 leaves. So did pretty good on this sprouting phase. Not a bad start to the year. So we'll see how it goes. Keep you tuned in.